Yeah, I'll get the picture. Pump that bitch up yet. Damn starter went out, so I gotta replace that.
Okay. Hey, do it while I'm up under him, Red.
I know that starter was good. Yeah, I took out that motor back there I had. I was cranking that bitch up before I bought it. You ready?
Yeah. Whoa.
What fell out then?
In his hand.
That boat?
Oh, a boat just flew out?
Mm-hmm. I know I get tired of boat.
I don't know, this should be skeeting out gas now, so.
Something like that.
It wasn't in there.
Huh?
It wasn't in there.
So it wasn't damn in there?
Yeah, it went.
Take that bitch all the way out.
Alright. I ain't put it back in there because it was on the other one.
I got you. Let's start from that.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy WhipAddict, man. We are on the way to drop off some trim. So I got all the trim that I had in the car. It's in this car, and it's about to get dropped off to the trim man, Cam, resident Atlanta trim guy. So about to see what he can do with it. Looks like he does some great work. Glad he in the city and I ain't gotta ship it off, so we'll see, man. Stay tuned. Sir, Cam, right?
Yep, Cam.
What's going on, brother?
What's up? Good?
Yeah, man.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, man. So, resident Atlanta, brother, like, glad I ain't had to ship this thing off and then.
Oh, yeah. I know Trail Lady be taking care of everybody.
Yeah, I know. That's you know, she got a name that you know,
yeah.
So. But we about to put your name on the map, though, now.
So, I'm going to take care of you, man.
So, yeah, you can check out what I got. I had brought a black bag. You can put it in.
Okay.
But I had everything else at first. Yeah. Just go through that door.
What's going on your car?
Yeah, going on that Cutlass I sent you the picture of.
You pulled it out this way? Or how did you pull it out?
Alright, man, I'm gonna help him pull this stuff out, man. Y'all stay tuned. Got all that out. Young entrepreneur.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So tell me your IG real quick.
Care by Cam.
Here,
catch me on Instagram and Facebook. Hit me up.
Yeah, so we're gonna see what it do, man. Y'all saw how my shit was looking. So
it's gonna be a bit different.
yeah. Make sure you do a video and shit. I'm gonna tag you.
Yeah.
When you take mine, so yeah.
Say look.
We about to put you on.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, yeah. So just dropped off that trim. Part of the plan. I mean, I don't even know what I want to do with the car no more. I know exterior wise it's still gonna look pretty good, but I don't know how much farther than that I want to go with the car right now. I probably ain't said to y'all, but I really want a Monte Carlo SS. I want a Monte Carlo SS. I want a Orchardville. You know, that's next level, but I'll probably take the steps, get one first, sell that, then get other one. So yeah, putting this one together, it done took so long. I did kind of want to go crazy with the interior too, but I just want to get it on the road, man. So I'm gonna see if we can do something by Classic. probably wouldn't even take it down there. Probably just to have it ready by class, just to say I did it. I don't know, but it'll be a whole nother ordeal to tow it down there and make room for it wherever I stay. If I don't get my own spot, so. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna see what the young man can do. Appreciate him. Pretty convenient. Pulled up on me and got it. Cashed out the deposit. And we gonna see. You know, I know it's gonna look good. Shit, I done seen this work, so I ain't even tripping. I just gotta get on with the rest of the car. So with that being said, y'all stay tuned. Try it. Hold on. Alright, try it. Try it. I might need some carburetor cleaning. Been a goddamn grind just trying to get this bitch started, y'all. Fucking starter went out. Put the starter on. It would not crank. So, had to turn the flywheel manually, turn the motor manually, which turns the flywheel, and it started working a little bit. But it still wouldn't turn over, so put a shim back in, because it didn't have one. Shim? I guess that's what they call it, shim. Huh? Good while it lasted.
Let's see.
Damn, man. Hey.
Did the same thing.
Click.
Hold on. Click. That bitch in fog, ain't it?
Yeah. Started moving on you. Oh.
Oh, that where the wood. Nigga, you do it. Alright. That where the water hit my knee. That shit scared the hell out of me just then.
I ain't let down some, but he was trying to crank it.
It's still doing the same thing again?
Yeah, clicking on me. Bruh did suggest 2 shims.
Yeah, we'll try 2 shims. Hey, we're gonna try 2 shims, Clint.
Okay.
Alright. Hold on, let's
Huh? Got the first crank up in about 8 months. Just spitting out. Oh man, I got a damn black widow under this motherfucker. Wow. Can y'all see that? Is that a black widow?
Yeah, he good. I ain't gonna kick that guy doing shine.
I mean, the shim must have helped because at least it crunked in.
one more shim. I put one more shim in that dog. God damn it, hell.
God damn it, hell.
We did 3-4 shim yesterday.
Yeah, I'm sorry. What's your angle? What's the menu?
And that big crunk up.
What's on the menu?
They done locked up, goddamn.
Bring it out.
I'm seeing you. Nobody go there.
That bitch done locked up.
That's my point.
Anh chào lần nước phố, đi xem mắt how it better almost stick right now. And know what the business is locked up with that we like there and what? Wait, so you got a little bit. Yeah, I'm just so close. Yeah, take the bit, get all on fast, so you pull control. It ain't that right. Still should be been moving.
Oh, so we're on. Oh, good.
started. Try you possibly went in here.
That nigga done locked the flywheel somehow. Oh, they got why the hell the bitch ain't damn spinning no more. Got a little pearl that came in. I don't know if it's gonna go, but we're about to see. It's pretty damn dark. When I put it in there, got this damn pearl. Ooh, hitting it, son. Yeah. I don't know though. Look kind of off.
That shit gonna net up though, real.
Whew, that shit hard though.
Let me see that shit.
That shit hard.
Boy, that shit that'll blow your mind. See that little shit though? See it though? How that little bit do this shit? That shit though, why that little shit do this shit though? That little dust a motherfucker, son.
That shit got that bitch silly.
That's still, we still probably put a little bit in.
So we had shot this one with some silver and some pearl, but looks mostly silver. Got a little pearl, but can't really see it. So I'm about to scuff this down and shoot this with something else. Well, the mix we just made.
So black at a certain angle, it gonna kill the fucking gold wheel, son. Then when it turn that green, it gonna kill them gold wheels, son. I ain't bullshit. I see it. I'm imagining this shit before we put that goddamn pearl on there. Yeah. But I'm imagining that shit right now. I feel like I can see it though. Nobody.
I got this. I got this, my boy. This is the start of my vision. See, I want to be like foodies and shit, putting together nigga whole scheme for them and shit. But I'm trying to come with it. I mean, you know, that's how Jit is. Jit be doing that shit. Shit, y'all done did so many.
The interior that you got, that's different, son.
Walked it outside. That is a nasty color for real. Shaded look black. It just sparkles here.